Prudential Life just came out with its Q3 numbers. It appears to be a strong set. The stock is at the day's highest point. What's your first take on it?
Well, the numbers for ICICI Prudential Life certainly look strong, and what particularly looks strong is the value that they've been able to derive out of the revenue growth that they've done. If you just look at the revenue growth, the premium growth, AP, not very impressive, growing at about 4%, coming in at about 2525 crore versus 2438 crore. The expectation was much higher as far as brokerages are concerned from the annualized premium equivalent. So that has grown at just about 4%, but the value which they've derived from the APE looks pretty strong. Value of new business growing at 19%. That has come in at about 615 crore rupees. Versus 517 crore rupees. Now, the second thing which they've been able to do very strongly is the margin performance. That has been very strong again in the third quarter. The margins have come in at about 24.4% versus 21.2%, so about 350 basis points improvement as far as that margin performance itself is concerned. The expectation from brokerages was about 23.2%. So, of course, VNB margins have come about 100 points higher than what the brokerages were expecting on that front also. So, strong performance on a year-on-year as far as value is concerned, also on the margin front ahead of what the brokerages were anticipating.
Okay, all right, 3.5% higher. What a spike on the stock. Good numbers. Margin expansion is what the street seems to like. ICICI Pru on our radar. Yash, thank you so much for bringing us all those details. We'll give you some more time to analyze these numbers in greater detail. But with that, we'll slip into a short break. Before we do that, just a quick heads up. If you're thinking about where the real opportunities for 2026 lie, Market Forum, the Alpha Generators for 2026 is where that conversation begins. The Alpha Table awaits. Join CNBC-TV18 as we host the ultimate confluence of India's market movers. Tune in on 13 Jan, Tuesday, 4:30 p.m. onwards, only on CNBC-TV18.